You were born in 1944. At the time, kayo ay govern ng ating Civil Code of the Philippines. At considering na ang inyong magulang ay merong marriage, merong pre-existing marriage. In short, you cannot be considered as although illegitimate kayo, dahil may legal impediments na mag-marry ang magulang ninyo, that means you cannot be considered as a natural child by legal fiction. So, hindi ninyo maaaring gamitin yung surname ng inyong tatay. Ibang usapan yun kung kayo pinanganak after August 3, 1988, kung saan ay effective na ang Family Code of the Philippines. Under Article 176 ng ating Family Code, as a rule, illegitimate child will use only the surname of the mother. Except yun, kung biological father ay nirecognize yung anak. Paano i-recognize? It could be in writing. Halimbawa, nagpirma si father mo doon sa birth certificate mo, or nag-execute ng affidavit or any form of private writing na kinikilala ka niya. Under the family code now, kung kayo pinanganak at the time na effective na yung family code at nagpirma si father mo na affidavit authorizing to, dalawang affidavit yan affidavit of acknowledgement, affidavit authorizing the use of the surname. In this particular case, pwede po ninyong magamit yung surname ng inyong tatay.